Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the marker types. There are 2D barcode markers and imperceptible markers. So let's we discuss. The 2D barcode markers is also known as it is called as a markers, and these markers specially designed patterns that functions like QR codes or barcodes in AR system. So these markers are used to help AR system to recognize and understand the environment. They are providing a reference point for tracking the objects or spaces. So these 2D barcode markers are square shaped codes. So that square shaped codes, the codes are stored the information in 2 dimensions, typically in a grid of black and white squares. So QR is nothing but quick response codes. These codes are widely recognized and the example of 2D barcode markers. So this is a small introduction about 2D barcode and how does 2D barcode marker works means. So first we have to create a marker. So they are developers or generators or designer. They first have to design the 2D barcode markers which is using specialized software. So these markers can contain various types of data including URL and text, numerical values or even binary informations. So we can use these types of data and to create a barcode with the help of specialized AR softwares. And the second step is printing and placement. So once we created, the 2D barcode markers are printed and placed within a physical environment where the AR experience are intended. So the consideration is given to the marker size, location and visibility for optimal detection. And the next step is scanning and detection. So the AR apps or devices equipped with the cameras, camera scan the surroundings for 2D barcode markers. So the computer vision algorithms are used to detect and identify the markers within the camera's field of view. And the next step is content triggering. So when a 2D barcode marker is detected, it serves as a trigger for the AR application. So then the data encoded within the marker is read and used to determine what AR content or actions to initiate. And the next step is AR content overlays. So the AR systems renders and overlays the virtual content onto the real world scene. So the position and orientations of the virtual content are determined based on the markers detected location and orientations. And next one is interactivity. So the users can interact with the augmented content triggered by the markers. So these interactions may involve viewing additional informations and launching a website, playing a video or manipulating the 3D images. So these are called as a interactivity. So these are the steps how does 2D barcode markers works in AR. And next one is imperceptible markers. So it is refers to the markers or tracking patterns. So they are intentionally designed to be nearly or entirely invisible to the naked eye. So these markers are used to create more seamless and immersive AR experience by reducing or eliminating the visual presence of tracking markers. So the types of markers are natural features, subtle patterns and infrared markers. So the natural features, which means it is instead of using artificial markers, the imperceptible AR systems may rely on natural features in the environment such as textureless surface, subtle patterns or objects with unique characteristics. So these are called as the natural features. And the second type is subtle patterns. So the imperceptible markers can involve using very subtle patterns or color variations, so that are hard to detect with the naked eye, but can be recognized by the computer vision algorithms. And the third type is infrared markers. So some AR systems are use imperceptible markers that emit or reflect the infrared light, so which is helps to invisible to humans, can be detected by specialized cameras or sensors. So these are the types of imperceptible markers. So this is the assessment and these are the reference. Thank you.